Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick update on the Webtalk rewards points. All right. Now, this is from our CEO, RJ Garbowich, and he explains that this month we introduced a new point bonus that pays 2 times reward points if you are a pro customer, and then 3 times reward points if you're a pro platinum customer. Okay. Now, it all has the details in this website here, which I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna look at that as well too, and then I'm gonna be going over a few other stuff. Okay, and if you're looking at my own dashboard, I already received more points this month than last month as a result of the new bonus. And here's an example of his. Okay, so we're gonna go back here, and then we're gonna go over the options. Okay. So the free plan, of course, you could always join for free and then still get people in and still get the $5 reward bonus. Okay. Now this one here, the max connections at the free plan, 5,000, and then CRM contacts is 50 people, and then the max connections with the pro reward plan is 10,000, and then the CRM contacts is 500, and then pro platinum plan, which is $40 a month, you get unlimited for the connections, and then you get unlimited for the CRM contacts. Okay, and then monthly messaging, send connections unlimited, and then for the send connections, that's unlimited to send to any member. You don't Free members don't have that option. So for the pro members, it's $5 a month, and then the unlimited is $20 a month. Okay, so for sending spotlight posts, free members, they don't have that option. Spotlight posts is just like a kind of like an email blast to all your followers. Okay. And then the $20 plan is $5 a month, and then the $40 a month platinum plan, it's 20 spotlight posts. Okay. And then also you could see who viewed your profile as a pro member and a pro platinum member. Free members, you're not able to get that option as of yet. Okay. Now, if you are ready to join, go ahead and click the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for viewing my channel. Bye.